सम नंबर 11। मैं हर एक सम में थोड़ा बहुत प्री बोर्ड काम करके रखूंगा। मैंने यहाँ पे बैलेंसेस डाल दिए हैं। मैंने यहाँ पे सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो भी फाइंड कर दिया है। जब पॉइंट आता है तो हम इसका डिस्कशन करेंगे, लेकिन लिखने में हमारा टाइम ना जाए उसकी वजह से। सो लेट्स गेट इन द सम। प्रेरणा पीयूष आर पार्टनर्स, दे आर शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट इन देयर कैपिटल प्रपोर्शन। कौन से प्रपोर्शन में? कैपिटल प्रपोर्शन में वो प्रॉफिट शेयर करते हैं। एडमिटिंग Poini as a new partner by giving 1/5 share in total profit. By giving what? 1/5 share in total profit. So first of all, we are finding sacrificing ratio. So in the first two sum, we have a direct new ratio. Here we are taking help from our short sums. So here no new ratio is given. So what should we have to do? So we have for new ratio formula. New ratio is equals to old ratio into remaining profit. We have seen such kind of sum in our short sum. The students who have not cleared the short sum, just call me and take the idea of remaining profit. That how should the remaining profit arrive? We will discuss this later, because in this particular lecture I do not have a sufficient time to discuss the short sum. So according to the formula, the old ratio of Prerna and Piyush, which is in their capital proportion, is 1:3. Is what? 1:3. And the remaining profit after the admission of Poini, it is 4/5. So we will get from the arithmetic equation 1:3. 1:3. This is the new ratio. This is what? New ratio. Now putting the new ratio in the formula of SR. SR for Prerna, SR for Piyush. Old ratio 1/4, 3/4 minus new ratio 4/20, 12/20. 20 should be your LCM. 20 should be your LCM. So here, if we are taking 20 as a LCM, 5 minus 4, 1/20. Here 15 minus 12/15, 3/20. So your sacrifice ratio is 1:3 also. Is what? 1:3 also. So we have calculation for the sacrificing ratio. When we need it, we will use it. हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी लायबिलिटी साइड से, जिसमें कैपिटल्स हमने यहाँ पे पुट कर दी है. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द रिजर्व फंड. देयर इज नो एडजस्टमेंट ऑन द रिजर्व फंड. द टोटल रिजर्व फंड इज 30,000. द टोटल रिजर्व फंड इज हाउ मच? 30,000. सो 30,000 शुड बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन ओल्ड पार्टनर्स, दैट इज पीयूष एंड प्रेरणा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर बाय रिजर्व फंड in the ratio of 1:3. What is ratio? 1:3. 7,500 and 22,500. 7,500 and 22,500. That is basic reserve ratio. Then after creditors, where we should write on the liability side, creditors. There is an adjustment on the creditors. First we put the value of creditors, that is 40,000. We will get a line here, so we can do the proper sum. We just forgot to straight a line. Okay. Because we need in balance sheet. Okay, don't mind it. What is the adjustment? Creditors are to be paid rupees 30,000. How much creditors are to be paid? 30,000. So here the final value to pay the creditors is 30,000. So यहाँ पे वैल्यूएशन डिक्लाइन हुई है, लेस डिक्रीज 10,000. What should be effect? You know very well, because we have do 2 or 3 sums. So here on the credit side, revaluation account by creditors 10,000. My creditors how much? 10,000. Then after there is an outstanding expense rupees 1500. OS expense 1500. There is also an adjustment somewhere. Outstanding wages rupees 460 is not recorded in the books. So we should add OS wages 460, total 1960. Outstanding wages not recorded, our expense is not recorded. What should be our general? Wages account debited to revaluation account. Wages account debited. Revaluation account debited to wages account. So here on the debit side of revaluation account, to wages 460. To wages how much? 460. There is no entry on the liability side. While moving to building, the valuation of building is 90,000 rupees. There is an adjustment on the building. That value of building is to be increased by 15%. Valuation of building is to be increased by how much? 15%. So add increase 13,500. How much? 13,500. Outer column 13500. Outer column 13500. Increasing part, credit side, revaluation account by land and building 13,500. 13,500. Then after furniture is there. The valuation of furniture, मैं बुक को हाथ में ले लेता हूँ. The value of furniture is 17,500. There is also an adjustment. That value of furniture is to be increased by 20%. So add increase 3,500. Outer column 21,000. Increasing part, crediting to revaluation account by furniture 3,500. Then after machinery, so many assets are here. It will make you lot of practice. 1,07,500. There is an adjustment that market value of machinery is 1,20,000. Market value of machinery is how much? 1,20,000. So here add increase 12,500. Outer column 1,20,000. Outer column 1,20,000. 12,500 crediting to revaluation account by machinery 17,500. 12,500. Then after we have a stock. Here I am writing stock 17,500. There is an adjustment that valuation of stock is 20,000 rupees. So another increase in stock 2,500. Outer column 20,000. Here by stock 2,500. Look at so many entries. You have a lot of practice in this sum to do the revaluation account entries. Then after debtors. Then after what? Debtors. So here I am writing debtors. The total value of debtors is 30,000 rupees. There is an adjustment to provide the bad debt and bad debt reserve provision for bad debt at 10% and discount reserve at 2%. So first of all, bad debt, that is 3,000 according to 10%. Then how much amount has been reduced? It is 27,000. I have put it where the calculator, I don't know. Don't worry, we have a mobile, so we will solve it. 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000, and the 2% of the 27,000, that is 540. So another 540 we have to reduce. Outer column में debtors जो है हमारे, it should be 26,460 rupees. 26,460 rupees. The particular amount of 3,540 should be noted on the revaluation account debit side to bad debt reserve. To bad debt 3,000 to DR, that is discount reserve 540. Clear? Then after cash balance, we have put at the cash balance and accrued income. And what? Accrued income 750. How much? 750. So it should be in your balance sheet. That is the balance sheet here. $750. Look at lot of entries in the sum. This is the type of sum going to be asked in your board examination for the 8 marks. Up to this point, we have a normal entries. All of those, particularly a lot of practice we have discussed earlier in particular sum for your revaluation account. Nothing has been new. Now the part is come when we have cleared our balance sheet and we are moving to the adjustment. The first of all, Poini brought rupees 62,500 as a capital. Poini brought what? 62,500 as a capital. So first of all, we are doing for the Poini's capital 62,500 cash account debit side to Poini's capital 62,500 on the partner's capital account by cash 62,500. Clear? Now Poini is bringing what? 24,000 as her share of goodwill. Poini कितना ला रही है? 24,000 as his share of goodwill. So here distribution of goodwill. For Prerna, for Piyush, 24,000 into, what is their sacrifice ratio? 1:3. What is their sacrifice ratio? 1:3. What we have calculated? 1/4, 3/4. That is 6,000 and 18,000. How much? 6,000 and 18,000. So in the cash account, to premium on goodwill, bracket Prerna, 6,000, to premium on goodwill, Piyush, 18,000. Entries should be transferred to partner's capital account by premium on goodwill, 6,000 and 18,000. Clear? Now what? Another thing is given in the sum. What they are saying, that partner withdraws. Partner what? Withdraws the 60% of the goodwill. Yani partner taking over अ पार्ट ऑफ द गुडविल इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैश, सो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे विड्रॉ ऑफ गुडविल, फॉर प्रेरणा पीयूष 6,000 into 60%, 3,600, 8,000 into 60%, 10,800, 10,800 यानी 60% जो गुडविल है वो पार्टनर्स घर पे ले जाएंगे अपने हिस्से की। तो व्हाट शुड बी योर जर्नल एंट्री? नेचुरल पार्टनर्स अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट। एज यूजुअल जो ड्राइंग्स की एंट्री हम करते हैं, सो पार्टनर्स अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड पे हम लिखेंगे बाय कैश 3,600, 10,800, कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय प्रेरणा 3,600, बाय पीयूष 10,800. We are checking the adjustment, that if any kind of adjustment has been left there. What is the sum? Prerna and Piyush, sum number 11. So your adjustments are Poini brought 62,500 capital, 2,400. That is lighting issue, I think. Okay. 62,500 as capital and 24,000 as goodwill. We have cleared it. 60% withdrawal, it's okay. Market value of stock and machinery, okay. Provision for bad debt, okay. Creditors, okay. Value of building is to be increased, okay. Outstanding wages, clear. सारे एडजस्टमेंट हमने क्लियर कर दिए हैं। अब हम यहाँ पे टोटल करने वाले हैं रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट का। तो जो रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट का हमें टोटल मिलेगा वो होगा 42,000। वो कितना होने वाला है? 42,000। यहाँ पे हम ये 42,000 को माइनस करेंगे। मेरे पास कैलकुलेटर नहीं है, मैं इसको डायरेक्टली करने का ट्राई करता हूँ। 42,000 30 40 540 38,000 कितना होगा? 38,000। हम इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने वाले हैं प्रेरणा और पीयूष के बीच में। कौन से रेशियो में? 1:3 में। सो 9,500 और 28,500, इसको हम यहां पे लेके आएंगे। ये जो यहां पे आएगा प्रॉफिट हम लिखेंगे 9,500, 28,500। हम यहां पे टोटल करेंगे 62,500। कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा यहां पे। अगर हम पीयूष का टोटल करते हैं 1,50,000, 172,500, 28,500, तो इस हिसाब से पीयूष का टोटल हो गया 2,19,000। और अगर हम प्रेरणा का देखें तो 57,500, 6,000, 63,500, 64,000, 64 प्लस 9, 73,000। ये कितना हो गया? 73,000। इसी को हम यहां पे रखेंगे 62,500, 2,19,000 और 73,000। अगर हम प्रेरणा का यहाँ पे देखते हैं 73, 370, 69,400 बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगा। 2,19,000 to 2,08,200 रुपीज और 62,500, ये जो कैपिटल्स बैलेंस है ये वो ट्रांसफर होंगे, कहां पे ट्रांसफर होंगे, हमारे लायबिलिटी साइड पे हम यहां पे लिखेंगे कैपिटल्स, हमारी कैपिटल्स कितनी है 69,400, ये आई प्रेरणा की कैपिटल, देन पीयूष 2,08,200, then Poini 62,500. If we are getting total for this capital, we should have a numerics. Total capital 3,40,100 outer column. हम लायबिलिटी साइड का टोटल करेंगे, असेट साइड का टोटल करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले कैश अकाउंट को हमें क्लोज करना पड़ेगा। तो कैश अकाउंट का जो हम टोटल करने वाले हैं 62 प्लस 18 80,000 80,500 86,500 86 94,750 94,750 माइनस करेंगे 10,800 और 3,600, तो ये हमें मिलेगा 350 जिसको हम यहाँ पे कैश अकाउंट में लिखेंगे कैश 350। यहाँ पे हम दोनों साइड का टोटल करेंगे, दोनों साइड का टोटल जो आएगा वो आपका फाइनल आंसर होगा बैलेंस शीट का। अभी भी हमारे पास टाइम है तो मैं इसका टोटल कर लेता हूँ। यहाँ पे बुक को साइड पे रख देते हैं। $3,72,060 जो टोटल आया वो हमारा $3,72,060। तो ये है आपका सम नंबर 11 आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में से। आगे के लेक्चर में हम दूसरा सम देखेंगे। थैंक यू।